Hello, this is Zach with Firkins in Bradenton. I just wanted to give you guys a preview of this 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It is a inline 4-cylinder SR5. What the SR5 means is it's going to come with color keyed mirrors, front bumper, nicer alloy wheels. Also is going to have keyless entry with power lock and unlock on it as well. This one does have a tonneau cover, soft tonneau cover on it, and a backup camera. It is a beautiful vehicle. The lady traded it in. She has a business and just needed something a little bit bigger to haul her items. Inside, you're going to notice it has the leather wrap steering wheel with the touchscreen and Bluetooth capabilities with backup camera. This vehicle has 54,713 miles on it. Again, this vehicle is at Firkins in Bradenton, only at Firkins in Bradenton, and this is Zach Thorp. You can reach me at 918-671-3043.